Want to know how to open up a new terminal in Cursor AI? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, opening a new terminal is not that hard of a deal. So you can just simply open up a new file by selecting on the top left side file and selecting new text file. Or if you want to directly open a new terminal, you can do that as well. So right beside run, you should be seeing this three dotted icons. So you can just simply select that. So once you have selected these three dotted icons, you should be seeing terminal right here. So you can just simply hover on it. So once you have selected hovered upon terminal, here you should be seeing various options, and on the top you should be seeing new terminal right here. So you can just simply select that. So now once you're on a new terminal, your panel should pop up just like this, and your terminal should be here as well. So now here you should be seeing your terminals. If you have an existing one, it should create just like this right here, a new one, and that's it. So if your panel isn't viewing, just simply select Ctrl+J and you should be good to go. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.